On the 11th of August, we remember Saint Clare of Assisi. This holy woman was given the name Clare, which is Chiara, which is clear and pure. We ask the Lord for the grace of clarity of mind and purity of heart. These two blessings are very important for our times because our minds can be too cluttered and our hearts can be too attached. And when we have many attachments of the heart and when we have many clutters of the mind, we are not pure. May Saint Clare give us clarity of mind, purity of heart, so that everything that we do, everything that we think of, everything that we say will be only about God.